This is a dashboard where clicking on a single product instantly updates every chart and metric on the screen. Over the next 6 minutes, you will use the data from a standard spreadsheet to build this report yourself. To follow along, pause the video now to download the free Power BI desktop application and the sample Excel file linked in the description. Instead of scrolling through thousands of rows to find an answer, you will be able to click a single data point and see the entire context of your business immediately. When you open the software, you can close the initial login prompt to go straight to the free desktop workspace. We start by importing raw numbers. Click Import Data from Excel. Select Data and click Load. Verify the import by looking at the Fields panel on the right. Your specific column names like country and product should be listed there. Your workspace has 3 areas: ribbon on top, panels on right, and center canvas. Click the column chart icon. Drag country to X-axis and boxes shipped to Y-axis. The default color is blue. The Format panel's massive menu makes manual changes difficult. To save time, use the search bar at the top of the panel. Type color, and you can instantly change the bars to orange. A single chart is a starting point, but the goal is to view multiple parts of the business at once. Click an empty part of the canvas and add a bar chart. Map product to the Y-axis and boxes shipped to the X-axis. Now we can test the interactivity. Go to your first chart and click directly on the data column for Australia. As this schematic illustrates, selecting one data point immediately filters every other visual on the page. The second chart now shows only the product shipped to Australia. This automatic cross-filtering allows you to explore specific subsets of your data without setting up manual pivots or filters. To analyze trends, create a line chart. Place date on the X-axis and amount on the Y-axis. At first, the software will only show a single dot instead of a line. This is because the date hierarchy defaults to grouping all your data by the year. You can use the pitchfork icon above the visual to shatter this grouping. Click it twice to move from years to quarters, and finally to a monthly view. Looking at the monthly trend, we can see a clear drop in sales during February that wasn't visible when the data was grouped by year. To understand why February was lower than January, we need to know which variables changed during that month. Right-click the February data point, select Analyze, and choose Explain the decrease. The software now runs machine learning algorithms across the entire dataset. It identifies the specific items that contributed to the drop in revenue. Click the plus icon to add this waterfall chart to your canvas permanently. You've moved from simply seeing that a number dropped to knowing exactly why it happened, all without writing a single line of code. Look at your completed page. You have 3 interactive visuals and an automated AI analysis working together. Save your work locally by clicking the Save button in the top left corner. To share this interactive dashboard with colleagues, you would use the Publish button, which requires a Pro or Premium license. With these 3 visuals and the integrated AI analysis, your report is now an active tool for making data-driven decisions.